In this video, I'm going to talk about another type of connection you can make as you read. Text-to-text connections. Text-to-text connections are when you relate what you are reading with another text or story. Here are some questions to guide you in making text-to-text connections. 1. Is there anything in my story, such as the genre, characters, setting, or plot, that is similar to another story I know? 2. How is what I am reading different from something else I have read? 3. Does this book make me feel the same as when I read something else? However, these 3 questions are not the only types of text-to-text connections. Anytime you compare and contrast 2 texts, you are making a text-to-text connection. Here is an example of a text-to-text connection that you may remember from my reading page. Earlier this year, I was reading the book Dune. It is a famous science fiction book. In the book, there are characters called Bene Gesserit that have a power called the Voice to influence how other people think. There is also a character who discovers she is the daughter of the villain. Both of these things reminded me of the Star Wars movies. The Bene Gesserit are very similar to Jedi, who have the power of the Force. Since the story of Dune came before Star Wars, I think it's very likely that Star Wars was inspired by Dune. That's how I connected one story to another. Remember, anytime you can relate any part of what you are reading to another story you know, you are making a text-to-text connection. This is another connection that you can use when writing your weekly reflection in your daily reading log. Now I want you to try. How does your book compare to other books?
Created using Powtoon.